Okay, so this one's been sitting in my kitchen for a while. To open it, all I did was get a little screwdriver right there and check this out. I don't know how well you can see down in there, but there's well over 100. There's actually one still floating around in there. What they do, they fly down inside this trap, inside the hole, and then they can't fly out, and they eventually get down in the solution. So in this video, I'm going to go over these small little fruit fly traps from the company Terro. And inside this is 2 traps. Actually, I already have one set up over here. It's a 90-day supply, and the net contents is 1.3 fluid ounces. And just going over the box here, you know, it's great. We put it near fruit bowls, kitchen counters, near sinks, and around trash cans. If you're familiar with fruit flies, they fly around and they pretty much will lay eggs in any types of like bananas, apples, or around your garbage can or something like that. And you can have a huge problem out of these little things. They get very annoying just flying around. And how you're going to use these, you just basically place trap upright, solid surface, snap back, and it gives you a discard after 45 days. And actually, let me just show you what you get with these things. So one of them I already have out. That's all you got in there. So how this works is this does not come off. This looks like a, you know what that kind of looks like? I guess a little tomato or apple or something. And how this thing works, you can't open it. I can't open this one. I have one already set up. It had fruit flies flying around it and it took care of the problem almost right away. I highly recommend these things. I have been very impressed with this. I'll try to show you the best I can of what's inside of it. So I'm going to do this one for you. All you do is snap this back like that. And this kind of has, I don't know what that kind of smells like. Kind of smells a little bit like white vinegar. Then to use it, check that out. All you're going to do is squirt it down in there just like that. And this is not chemicals. This is chemical free. So this can be around your kitchen, pets, or anything like that. You shouldn't have any problems. You see it down in there, then look from the side. You guys see that? See how it's all in there, and it is ready to go. That's all you got to do. So yeah, I'm going to put this one back out. I just put the other one out and brought this one in here to show y'all how well this has been working for around about a week. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Terro fruit fly trap 2-pack. See y'all in the next video.